Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the city bike or bicycle helmet. Probably works for electric scooters as well. It looks really nice and simple. It's called Exclusky. Let's just remove what we have in here. So that's how it looks like. That's the padding inside, and then it's the usual material that you see on helmets. It says in terms of size, it says 22 per 24 inches or 61 centimeters. Bicycle helmet, mold type EX333, and that's how you would close it. And it has this nice padding for your chin. It can be adjusted as well, and also the usual back adjustment you can do to secure it onto your head. It works really well, very sturdy. I also like this, which will somehow prevent the sun from going into your eyes or raindrops or even snow. And what I like about it is that it has a light at the back. This is where it shows you how it's correct to wear it. So it needs to be above, not like fully down and above. Sure you knew that already. Some more information. And here we have a light, USB-C rechargeable. Where is the USB-C port? Oh, it's in here. Sorry, these ones I can never open, especially when I cut my nails. So you see, that's a USB-C port covered by this, which is really good. That means it's somehow waterproof or resistant at least. That's the button. That's the cable, USB-C to A for charging, and it goes like this in position. And I think it's a nice addition because you will be seen from behind. You press once and it slowly goes like that. You press again, it flashes, and again stable, and then off. Now you think, how do I remove it from here? It's simple, because on the back you have a little hole in there. You push with your finger through, and then easy to remove when you need to recharge. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.